If you're a homeowner, you need to know this. Join me as I dive into the challenge of finding out which refrigerator brands repair techs trust the most. Let's see if I can uncover the top picks. Stay tuned. By clicking on the affiliate link in the description below to make a purchase, you're helping support this channel. Thank you. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of home appliances to bring you the top 5 most reliable refrigerator brands, according to repair technicians. Finding the right refrigerator can be tough. You've got size, features, and of course that price tag to consider. But reliability? That's gotta be up there. Nobody wants a fridge that's gonna give up on them right when they need it most. So we went straight to the source. The people who see it all. Appliance repair techs. They're in the trenches, fixing these things day in and day out. So they know which brands are built to last and which ones are always calling for a house call. Let's get into it. Coming in at number 5, we've got Whirlpool. Now Whirlpool's been a household name for decades, and for good reason. Repair techs consistently point to their durability as a major plus. They're known for using solid components and building their fridges to withstand years of use. We're talking heavy-duty shelves, sturdy drawers, the kind of build quality you can really feel. But it's not just about brawn. Whirlpool also gets high marks for their customer service. If you do run into an issue, their support team is known for being responsive and helpful. And let's be real, nobody wants to be on hold for hours, or dealing with unhelpful reps when their fridge is on the fritz. Having a company that stands behind their products makes a big difference. Plus, Whirlpool offers a wide range of models at different price points, so you can find one that fits your budget without sacrificing on reliability. At number 4, it's LG, bringing that signature blend of innovation and reliability to the table. LG has consistently been a leader in the home appliance industry, and their refrigerators are a testament to their commitment to quality and cutting-edge technology. LG's always been known for pushing the boundaries with their appliances, and their refrigerators are no exception. From the moment you step into a showroom, the sleek and modern designs of LG refrigerators catch your eye. They are not just appliances, they are a statement of style and functionality. We're talking sleek designs, smart features, and some seriously advanced tech packed into these things. Imagine a refrigerator that not only keeps your food fresh, but also integrates seamlessly with your smart home system. LG's smart refrigerators come with features like voice control, touch screens, and even cameras inside the fridge to help you keep track of your groceries. But the cool thing is, they haven't sacrificed reliability for those fancy features. LG understands that a refrigerator is a long-term investment, and they build their products to last. The combination of advanced technology and robust construction ensures that you get the best of both worlds. Repair techs are impressed with how well LG fridges hold up over time, even with all the bells and whistles. It's not uncommon to hear stories of LG refrigerators running smoothly for years without any major issues. This reliability is a key reason why customers keep coming back to LG. They've got a knack for making tech that's both cutting-edge and dependable. Whether it's the innovative cooling systems or the durable materials used in construction, LG ensures that their refrigerators are built to withstand the test of time. One thing that sets LG apart is their linear compressor technology. This technology not only enhances the efficiency of the refrigerator, but also reduces noise levels significantly. The linear compressor is designed to provide consistent cooling while consuming less energy, making it an eco-friendly choice. It's designed to be more efficient and quieter than traditional compressors, and it comes with a 10-year warranty for added peace of mind. This warranty is a testament to LG's confidence in their technology and their commitment to customer satisfaction. So you can enjoy all those cool features like door-in-door access and smart home connectivity, knowing that your LG fridge is built to last. The door-in-door feature is particularly popular, allowing easy access to frequently used items without opening the entire fridge, thus saving energy and keeping your food fresher for longer. And let's not forget about their customer service, which is also highly rated. LG's customer service team is known for being responsive and helpful, ensuring that any issues you encounter are resolved quickly and efficiently. LG makes it easy to get support if you need it, with online resources, phone support, and a network of authorized service centers. Whether you need help troubleshooting a problem or require a repair, LG's extensive support network ensures that assistance is always just a call or click away. This comprehensive support system is another reason why LG remains a trusted name in the appliance industry. Chapter 3: Samsung, Style and Substance. In the number 3 spot, we've got Samsung. Now, Samsung's known for making some of the most stylish tech out there, and their refrigerators are no exception. Their designs are sleek, modern, and fit seamlessly into any contemporary kitchen. Whether you have a minimalist setup or a more traditional home, a Samsung fridge can elevate the aesthetic appeal of your space. But it's not just about looks with Samsung, they also deliver on reliability. Their refrigerators are built to last, ensuring that you get the best value for your money. The combination of style and substance is what makes Samsung a top choice for many homeowners. Repair techs often praise Samsung fridges for their solid build quality and advanced features. These appliances are designed with the user in mind, incorporating the latest technology to make your life easier. From temperature control to energy efficiency, Samsung refrigerators are engineered to perform at the highest level. They've got a knack for combining sleek aesthetics with durable construction, so you don't have to choose between a fridge that looks good and one that lasts. This balance of form and function is a hallmark of Samsung's design philosophy. One of the things that sets Samsung apart is their focus on innovation. They're constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in home appliances. Their commitment to research and development means that you're always getting the latest and greatest in refrigerator technology. They're always introducing new features and technologies, like their Family Hub refrigerators with built-in touchscreens and smart home integration. These features allow you to manage your groceries, connect with family members, and even entertain guests, all from the convenience of your refrigerator. But even with all the fancy tech, Samsung fridges are designed to be user-friendly and reliable. The intuitive interfaces and easy-to-use controls make these refrigerators accessible to everyone, from tech enthusiasts to those who prefer a more straightforward approach. They use high-quality components and rigorous testing to ensure that their appliances can handle the demands of everyday use. Each refrigerator undergoes extensive quality checks to ensure it meets Samsung's high standards. And if you do ever need assistance, Samsung offers good customer support with multiple ways to get in touch. Their customer service team is knowledgeable and ready to help with any issues you might encounter. They've got online resources, phone support, and a network of authorized service centers to help you out. Whether you need a quick fix or a more in-depth repair, Samsung's support network ensures that help is always available when you need it. This commitment to customer satisfaction is just another reason why Samsung continues to be a leader in the home appliance market. Chapter 4: GE, the workhorse. Coming in at number 2, it's GE, a brand that's synonymous with reliability. For decades, GE has been a household name trusted by millions of families across the globe. Their reputation for producing durable and dependable appliances is well earned. GE appliances have been a staple in homes for generations, and their refrigerators are known for their robust build and long-lasting performance. From the early days of home refrigeration to the modern era, GE has consistently delivered products that stand the test of time. Repair techs often point to GE's commitment to quality and durability as major factors in their reliability. These technicians, who see the inner workings of countless brands, frequently commend GE for their meticulous attention to detail and superior craftsmanship. They don't cut corners when it comes to materials or construction, so you can count on a GE fridge to stand the test of time. The use of high-quality materials ensures that each component, from the compressor to the shelving, is built to last. One of the things that sets GE apart is their focus on practicality. Their designs are user-friendly with intuitive layouts and features that make everyday use a breeze. Whether it's adjustable shelving or easy-to-clean surfaces, GE refrigerators are designed with the user in mind. They offer a wide range of models to fit different needs and budgets, but they all share a common thread of solid engineering and dependable performance. From compact units perfect for small apartments to large family-sized models, there's a GE refrigerator for every home. Whether you're looking for a basic top freezer model or a spacious French door fridge, GE has an option that's built to last. Their diverse lineup ensures that you can find a refrigerator that not only fits your kitchen but also your lifestyle. And while GE may not always be on the cutting edge of flashy features, they excel at delivering the core functionality that you need from a refrigerator, keeping your food cold and fresh for years to come. Their focus on the essentials means you get a reliable appliance that performs consistently, day in and day out. Additionally, GE refrigerators are known for their energy efficiency. Many models come with Energy Star ratings, ensuring that they not only save you money on your utility bills, but also contribute to a greener planet. This commitment to sustainability is yet another reason why GE remains a top choice for consumers. Customer service is another area where GE shines. Their support team is known for being responsive and helpful, ready to assist with any issues or questions you might have. This level of service adds to the overall value of owning a GE appliance. In conclusion, GE's long-standing reputation for reliability, combined with their focus on practical design and energy efficiency, makes them a standout choice in the world of refrigerators. Whether you're a longtime fan or new to the brand, you can trust GE to deliver a product that meets your needs and exceeds your expectations. Chapter 5: KitchenAid Premium Performance. And taking the top spot, it's KitchenAid, a brand that's synonymous with premium quality and craftsmanship. KitchenAid refrigerators are known for their sleek design, high-end features, and most importantly, their exceptional reliability. Repair techs consistently rank KitchenAid among the most dependable refrigerator brands, praising their durable construction and advanced engineering. One of the things that sets KitchenAid apart is their attention to detail. They use premium materials and finishes throughout their refrigerators, from the sturdy shelves and drawers to the sleek stainless steel exteriors. But it's not just about looks. KitchenAid refrigerators are built to perform. They incorporate advanced technologies like the Preserva food care system, which helps to maintain optimal humidity and temperature levels to keep your food fresher for longer. And while KitchenAid refrigerators do come at a premium price point, their reputation for reliability and longevity makes them a worthwhile investment for those who demand the best. So there you have it, the top 5 most reliable refrigerator brands according to the experts, the repair techs who see it all and know the ins and outs. Remember, choosing a refrigerator is a big decision, and reliability should be a top priority. You want an appliance that's going to keep your food cold and fresh for years to come without any unexpected breakdowns or costly repairs. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more home appliance tips and reviews. See you in the next video. Take care.